Readers, hello. Welcome to Inside the Actors video. I'm David, and joining me today is my colleague Heather. Good day to you, Heather.
Good day.
Now, in this video, we're going to be comparing the text of a script to the performance of that script. As you might know, a script is a written version of a drama, or a play, or a movie, or a TV show. Heather, tell us what we're going to be watching today.
It's a short movie called Ode to a Saucepan.
Wonderful. Now, Heather, when you're preparing to perform a script, when you're preparing to take on the actor's craft,
Yes.
what is it that you do to prepare?
The first thing that I do when I'm reading a text that I'm going to perform is look for the things I don't read aloud.
Oh, like what?
Setting and stage directions are the first things that come to mind.
Let me stop you right there, Heather. What are stage directions?
This will make more sense if we can see the script.
Oh, that is much better.
Now, look at the top of the passage where it says, inside a house, kitchen, day. That's the description of the setting for this scene, when and where it takes place. When it's time for me to perform this script, I don't say that part aloud.
What about these lines in brackets? She crosses the kitchen to the counter where the saucepan sits.
Now those are stage directions. Those are also things I don't say aloud. Those are instructions for how I might move around or how I'm supposed to say a line when I'm performing.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, if the stage directions say loudly, I'll say the words loudly. If the stage directions say, as though she is telling a secret, I will say the line, as though I am telling it as a secret, by whispering or acting sneaky.
All right. Let's give our readers some time to read the script, and then we'll play your movie, Heather.
Sounds great.
10 seconds of music. Feel free to pause the video and take as long as you need to read the whole script. Meet you on the other side for the premiere of Ode to a Saucepan.
I'm so excited.
And now, Ode to a Saucepan.
Friends, I'm here today to talk to you about the wonders of the saucepan. It boils potatoes. It makes soup. It keeps things warm. And in a pinch, it can even protect the brain.
Heather, that was spectacular.
Thank you, yes.
I'm noticing how your performance changed from the beginning to the end. You were so quiet at the end.
Exactly. I followed, but didn't speak aloud, the stage directions. The stage directions called for me to say the first line loudly, and the last line as though I was telling a secret, so that's how I did it. I also followed all the physical ones. I crossed the kitchen, I took the lid off the saucepan, then I picked up the saucepan and I put it on my head.
Wow.
The text has details that shape my performance, even if you're not hearing me say those details aloud.
Imagine how silly it would sound if you said every stage direction while doing them.
Rolling her eyes. It would be very silly.
Wait, you just did it now?
Looking innocent. Did I?
Okay, readers, that's all the time we have today for Inside the Actors video. Until next time, you can learn anything. David out.
Heather out.